guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and review this TK50 jump start box here by Trekure. So this here, you're going to find it on Amazon. You can pick it up. I think it's like 80 bucks maybe, but the one I've used for years is this GB70 and by Noco, and it's been a beast. I've had this thing for probably 5 years. It's been through everything, and it's actually pulled cars onto that trailer with itself when the battery went dead. But I got this guy here, unboxed it here. You can see its frame is way smaller than this one. So this one's running here right now, I think it's 200. I think I paid $250 for it. But this one here, you see it's a way smaller frame. It's actually got a little carrying handle at the top, which is kind of convenient. And then at the back here is where your ports are. So you can, of course, it's got your typical USBs where you can charge, and then a light at the end. Now, one thing that's pretty cool about this one is it's got the plug-in unit, so it can go in and plug into the back, where on my Noco here, she is hardwired in. And it's taken a beating. Those have cracked over time of dropping it and such, but this also comes with a carrying bag, so it's pretty nice. The reason I'm gonna get two of them, so this is a 2000 amp, so this one here is supposed to be 8000 amp. So a lot of difference there, but you can see it does have a smaller cable. So you see it's 8 AWG, where this one's 6 AWG. So we're gonna try it out for a few things, because you know, everything can do a power bank pretty decent with charging and stuff. So first thing we're gonna do is, I got my Ranger here. I gotta move it out of the way. So it's just a 2.3 liter 5-speed. The battery's completely dead on it, so we're gonna jump it with this unit. Now I have fully charged it, so press that button once, you can see it's fully charged. So let's pop the hood and get this old girl started. Just show you this thing's dead as a hammer. There you go. All right, so let's go here. We're gonna plug this guy in, like so. Red the positive, black the negative. Go ahead and turn it on. Green light means we're ready to go. So as you can tell on that, it zinged the old 2.3. It didn't have any trouble. It actually cranked it faster than my Noco, but yeah, it should at 6,000 amps or 8,000 amps, right? So let this warm up a second, then we're gonna give it a little bit bigger of a test. All right, so we're in my 67 here now. So a little bit of battery power, but she's got nothing. So I did throw my old yellow top Optima in here. It's been sitting for about 2 years. My good battery I took out for this test. It's a 351 Windsor. So if you know classic cars, it's a small block, 40 over, you know, mild build. But it takes a lot to get her cranked over and going for the carb and getting fuel pumped up. So let's just see how this piece does. All right, get the green light, push that on, see what happens. All right, so you see it cranked there for a while. I had to give it, of course you have to give it gas start, but you see I got a red light. So what that did is it didn't start in its time. So we're gonna basically do a full reset here. Long press gave me a flashlight, so. All right, let's plug this in. We've got flashing red and green. Let's go do a long press and see what it does. All right, we got audible beep. That should mean we're in forced start. Let's try this again. All right, so to recap what happened is after it kicked out from the normal crank, you basically have to do a full disconnect and shut off. And then make sure you have your leads plugged in, turn this on. It'll kick power out to your leads here. And then you can long press that button on the back for 3 seconds. And that'll give you forced start, which will allow this thing to crank without any kick out. So I'm actually gonna let this old car run for a little bit, just get warmed up, the operating temperature. We're gonna try this on now a little bike. All right, so this is my daughter's little X Pro 110. The battery stays dead in this thing. So what we'll do, pop the seat up. There's our little battery. And it should zing this thing. All right, so again, so this process is, seems like it has to be pretty specific. So we're gonna plug that guy in first, right? Put the power on. We'll turn it over. Got red, green flashing. So let's go ahead and see if we can get these little clamps in there. There you hear the relay kick on. Now, make sure we're on start. Get over here, crank. Like that. So, believe it or not, it actually cranks a little bit with the Noco, like a couple cranks, or that one fired right up. And that's going to be the difference between, it seems like, the 8,000 amps and the 2,000 amps. So, that's basically everything I have to test it on. Anything from this little 110cc to the 2.3 Ranger to the 351 Mustang. This seems like to be a pretty good product. I mean, I can go in and we tested the light, and I can charge my phone to show the full thing, but really no use to doing that because, like I said, everything's good with the power bank. All right, so we'll see after all those jumps, we're still fully charged. All right, so there's everything in the back just to show you it. It all fits in there pretty nice. That's got the jump cables, the charge cable, and then the unit itself. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this review video. Hope you guys liked it. I'd have to recommend it. I mean, it done everything flawlessly that I needed it to do. It jumped all the stuff that I've had. It may be not as user-friendly as the Noco with turning it on and reset. It's kind of maybe a little bit more smarter function for me. But honestly, for 80 bucks, 100 bucks for it, probably full price, you really are not gonna beat this guy. So Amazon, you can get this. Charge up, carry it with you. It can be a lifesaver for a lot of things, but I have to say it's a good product for me. So if you guys have it or have had issues or anything, drop your comments below. Let me know if you want to defend the Noco more and why you should get it, other than maybe a little bit usability. Drop it below and let me know. But with that being said, until next time, let's keep building.